Today at Mullin Machinery, you have a Leblond servo shift 19 by 50 inch engine lathe. This is inch only threading machine. It's been repainted at one time by someone. Originally came out of Johnson & Johnson. They must have painted it. But it's in great shape. The ways are nice. Decent. The screws are fairly tight. Steady rest. There's a Leblond 3-jaw chuck with reversing top jaws. L1 spindle. Aloris CA Toolpost. There's a carbide insert turn face holder. You got a boring bar holder. There's your support for the taper attachment. There's a 5C drawbar. Follow rest. Another Aloris Toolpost. This is the hollow tailstock model, so you use a bar to knock out your live center or chuck. I have another turn face holder here. We'll gather up some tooling for it. It does have a chuck guard on it, but the proc switch is not hooked up. Somebody added that on. We did put a new pulley in it and new belts because the pulley was tired. So to turn it on, first you have to hit down below, hit the start switch to energize the contactor. You can rotate the servo shift to pick your speed when it's in the brake position. We're running here first at 105 RPM. Nice and quiet. Down one is off, next one down is brake. You have to be in the brake position for the servo shift to work. Here is 581 RPM. Nice and smooth. There's your carriage feed. There's your cross feed feeding out. That's your cross feed feeding in. There's your carriage feed now. Try it out. We've been machining some stainless. It's about 2 inch in diameter. I have it on a fairly good feed rate at the moment. See, this is taking a 25,000th up the cut. I'll leave the chuck guard back up, feeding the wrong way. Machine's got plenty of power. Sounds nice. So got a good speed rate going there. I mean, the speeds will go up to 1600. I wouldn't run it that high with a chuck, at least without a balanced chuck. I'm at 821 RPM. Still sounds nice and smooth. We have the crank for the tailstock to move the tailstock back and forth. We got a nice finish on that, so the bearings in that machine should be decent, should be good. Overall, a great machine. It does come with a half backsplash that was shop made. I don't have it in the pictures. It's sitting down the other side of the shop, but it will come with the machine. This machine's been sold. I'm just making a video for my customer. But you can check out our website for what's currently available and email us or call us because we always have things that come in but are not posted yet. You can check us out on the web at mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.